Space heater, Tautronics PTC 1500W fast quiet heating ceramic tower heater oscillating portable heater with remote control programmable thermostat eco mode 12H timer LED display, black, large. Fast and quiet heating, equipped with ceramic heating elements and rated power up to 1500 watts. Our PTC space heater heats up to 70 degrees Fahrenheit in 3 seconds to quickly provide warmth for relatively small spaces. The noise this ceramic heater makes is lower than 45 decibels, quiet enough for most people to use in a bedroom while sleeping. Great helper to warm your corner with 70 degrees oscillation to heat from side to side and a 7 degrees tilted fan to increase heat distribution range by 20% to efficiently warm yourself or your family without wasting heat. Energy saving. Choose from 3 heating modes include high, 1500W, low, 900W, and eco modes. On eco mode, the space heater will automatically adjust the operating power between 1500W and 900W, depending on the temperature difference between the room and the heating temperature you have set to save energy and keep room comfortable. Built to be safe. Built with multiple safety features include ETL certification, V0 rating flame retardant material, overheating protection sensor, 12 hours timer, 24 hours auto power off, and tip over switch for safer operating conditions. Please use a wall socket instead of a power strip when using the space heater. Compact and portable, measures only 18 inches high, so small that you can place it on anywhere in your room or office. Designed with a hidden handle for easy moving around. Remotely control the strength and oscillation from your bed or sofa. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.